Good day, everyone. Welcome to this session on CPMAI V8 exam preparation. This presentation is designed to provide you with key tips and strategies for success. We will cover a comprehensive summary of the exam's focus areas, the latest trends, its format, and effective preparation strategies. Whether you're just starting your journey or fine-tuning your final review, this guide is tailored to help you achieve your certification goals. Let's get started. Let's turn our attention to the key areas you should prioritize for your CPMAI V8 exam preparation. First, you must understand and be able to apply the 7 core AI patterns in practical scenarios. Second, the CPMAI phases are critical. They make up 42% of the exam questions, so focus heavily on practical problem solving within this framework. Third, familiarize yourself with the 3 main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Fourth, know the basics of common algorithm types, such as those used for classification, regression, or clustering. Deep technical details are not required. Fifth, ethical AI is essential. Be sure to cover the definitions of ethical, responsible, explainable, and transparent AI. A short reference link is provided for your convenience. Sixth, starting from version 8, additional materials have been introduced, specifically on managing generative AI and agentic AI projects using the PMI-CPMAI methodology. Finally, as a note, we strongly recommend watching over 5 hours of our dedicated CPMAI exam preparation course available on Udemy to deepen your understanding. Now, let's check what the CPMAI V8 exam tests. First, it assesses your practical application skills, specifically your ability to act as a project manager when facing challenges like data shortages, project halts, or distinguishing between AI-related issues and general business problems. Second, it evaluates your understanding of key scenarios, including how to present business cases, address governance aspects, manage situations after project pauses, navigate ethical AI dilemmas, and understand RPA usage. Third, the exam covers algorithm basics, not by testing deep technical knowledge, but by focusing on practical applications, such as knowing that supervised learning is used for classification tasks. Fourth, you must refer to the official exam content outline, or ECO, specifically the new version dated September 2025, for more detailed guidance. As a final note, current trends indicate the exam increasingly emphasizes real-world project management actions, meaning you can expect more situational and scenario-based questions. Don't forget to read the books. What book should we read then? The book in question is Leading and Managing AI Projects, published by PMI in 2025. It is a critical resource for your CPMAI V8 preparation. For PMI members, it is available free of charge and can be downloaded directly from the PMI website. Most importantly, this guide contains all the necessary concepts and foundational knowledge required to succeed in the PMI-CPMAI V8 exam. Make sure to prioritize reading and understanding its content. Another essential resource for your CPMAI V8 preparation is the CPMAI Methodology Overview, published by PMI in 2025. It is available at no cost to PMI members and can be downloaded from the PMI website as part of the free course titled Introduction to CPMAI. This overview contains all the necessary concepts and core principles of the PMI-CPMAI V8 framework. Make sure to study it thoroughly. It is foundational to your exam success. Let's turn to another vital resource. It is the CPMAI Workbook, published by PMI in 2025. For PMI members, it is available free of charge and can be downloaded directly from the PMI website as part of the official PMI-CPMAI course materials. This workbook contains all the necessary practical tools, exercises, and applications required to master the PMI-CPMAI V8 framework. It's not just theory, it's your hands-on guide to applying what you've learned. Let's cover the structure of the CPMAI V8 exam through its 5 core domains. The exam is organized around these domains, each weighted by the percentage of questions it contributes to the total test. First, support responsible and trustworthy AI efforts account for 15% of the questions. Second, identify business needs and solutions makes up 26%. Third, identify data needs also represents 26% of the exam. Fourth, manage AI model development and evaluation comprises 16%. And finally, operationalize AI solution covers 17%. These percentages are derived from the official PMI-CPMAI exam content outline, published by PMI in September 2025. As a quick reference, the exam framework consists of 5 domains, 37 tasks, and 185 enablers. Let's break down the structure of the CPMAI V8 exam to help you prepare effectively. The exam consists of 120 questions to be completed within 160 minutes. That's approximately 1.3 minutes per question. Of these, 100 questions are scored, while 20 are unscored pre-test questions used for future exam development. The questions come in various types. Multi-select, for example, on topics like LLM features or data scientist qualities, one-liners, and tricky formats such as which is not or false statements. A critical piece of advice: read carefully. You must avoid missing negative qualifiers. Some questions can seem straightforward, but become confusing upon rereading. As a final note, be alert for wording traps. Words like not or false are often used deliberately to test your attention to detail. Let's discuss some effective time management tips to help you navigate the CPMAI V8 exam successfully. First, if you get stuck on a question, select your best answer, mark it for review, and move on. Do not spend more than 2 minutes on any single question. Second, save valuable time by answering simple, one-liner questions quickly. These are your opportunity to build momentum and confidence. Third, avoid overthinking. If a question seems confusing, don't get trapped in analysis paralysis. Make a decision, proceed, and come back to it later if time permits. As a final note, prioritize easy questions early in the exam. This strategy helps you build a buffer of time, giving you more room to tackle challenging items later without rushing. Let's review your final preparation strategies to ensure you're fully ready for the CPMAI V8 exam. First, complete the official PMI-CPMAI course, which becomes accessible on the PMI website after you purchase your exam voucher. Second, finish all our instructional videos available on Udemy. Third, engage in active recall by using our quizzes and flashcards to reinforce key concepts. Fourth, drill with our practice exams, also available on Udemy. These are essential for building familiarity with the question format. As an overall tip, focus your study on practical project management scenarios. Mastering these will make passing the exam much easier. Fifth, take mock exams to simulate the real test environment and identify areas for improvement. Finally, apply this powerful cycle. Test, review, repeat. Continue this process until your score reaches or exceeds 90% on each full-length test set of 120 questions. Thank you for joining this session. To help you continue your preparation, we've provided direct links to our key resources on Udemy. First, scan the QR code for our CPMAI exam preparation course. It's a bestseller designed to guide you through the entire syllabus. Second, access our CPMAI practice exams, which include 480 questions and are highly recommended to test your readiness. Third, grab our new CPMAI practice exams study companion, featuring over 750 questions for deeper review and reinforcement. All these materials are available on Udemy. Simply scan the codes or visit the provided links to start your next phase of study. We wish you the very best on your certification journey.